How to upgrade the SapphireOne 4D server. Open FileZilla and connect to the FTP server. On the left-hand window, choose the SapphireOne downloads folder that you created on your desktop. On the right-hand window, choose Public, Download to Upgrade 4D Server. Double-click on the new server file, Windows Server SDI or MDI. Go to the SapphireOne downloads and extract the application. Now ask all users to quit SapphireOne and then shut down the 4D server. Move the new server application into the Programs files, SapphireOne, Releases, Server. Next, create a backup of your data file by locating the live folder in your release folder. Then highlighting the three files and compressing them into a zip file. Add the date and move it into the backup folder within the release folder. Now open SapphireOne and select Open to import your 4DD live data file. Select About SapphireOne to check that you are running the new version. Lastly, move the old server application into your Builds folder or delete it. Thank you for taking the time, SapphireOne.